Hey guys, you're watching Everglades.
Alright, on to the video about today's video. So, today we're going to be doing a mini-series with Lexi and Jack. And basically, we're going to have them do an interview, make a Lexi's Corner, aka Lexi TED Talk. Yeah, and we got Lexi and Jack try to cook things, and we got Jack's garden. So, let's get started! Also, cue the intro if you can.
I can't.
Okay.
Okay.
Pause.
Hey guys, Jack and Lexi back at it again with some more plant tips.
Yes. So today we're gonna learn about succulents. Follow me if you do, Lexi. So we have our plant succulent over here. We call him Bob, and named after the monkey Bob. And basically, all you need to do for succulents is to plant them in fresh soil.
Yeah, they don't
Sometimes
need that many.
succulents don't need any water at certain times.
Nope.
Oh crap! And your station should turn into a rock star community here. And also, when you have a garden, you want to make sure that you can water it every single day, so your plants are really healthy. You want to keep a fence around your gardens at all times, because any rabbit, deer, or moose could eat your food.
Yes, even bugs. You can't keep
Yes.
bugs out of your garden.
You also want to make sure that you always remember to water your plants and make sure to give your plants sunlight. You guys might think that may be hard if you have some in your room. Not really. All you have to do is at least keep it next to a window. If it's not sunny out that day, you can grab a light and put it right underneath that. Now, on to the rest of the video.
Jack, I don't think that's gonna work.
Okay, maybe let's talk about more.
Okay.
Lexi's tips now.
That's all
Lexi
for
doesn't
today.
know about
Jack and Lexi's tips on how to take care of a plant.
Yes. So first, you wanna
have
some
the right tools. And remember, folks, you have to have the right equipment.
such
A
as
chainsaw.
oh my god, not a chainsaw.
Yes.
Gloves and a watering pail.
Yes, a chainsaw.
No. More about
Yes, chainsaw.
If you have an aloe vera plant, you might have heard of aloe vera. You can also tear off a leaf off of aloe vera and rub it onto a rash that you have, or a skinned up leaf. Next, Lexi, what do you know about plants?
There's something called photosynthesis. And that's where plants use this one thing in their veins, called a sugar that plants eat called
They eat sugar, okay? That sugar makes them grow. Photosynthesis is kind of like a cycle.
Yeah, I forgot.
Alright, moving on to the
That's
next.
all for today on Jack and Lexi's plant shop thing. I don't know. we go there? Program director, now what?
You talk about Melissa!
What? Who's Melissa?
Oh my god, just spill the tea about your life. Like what you've been doing and stuff.
I've just been trying myself.
Anything about Jack and your status?
I don't know. I mean, that castle over there looks pretty cool. Well, now what do I talk about? You didn't give me any lines.
Okay, so, just pretend you're on a mission and you're supposed to be talking about, like, all that crazy stuff that you do and stuff, okay?
But I can't. Whoa. This doesn't look like Juma at all. Everything's so different and so mystical.
Alright, cut. On to the next segment.
Okay. What do I say? What do I say? You didn't give me any dang lines.
So basically we're gonna go into our interview stage where the director asks us a question.
Okay. Whoa. I have no idea what just happened. Now what? I'm out of this. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Hello, and I'm glitching like crazy. Everything's black. Why is everything black?
Okay, so we're on our next segment. So basically, we're gonna be talking about this. So the director's gonna give us some questions.
Okay.
Alright, one says, how is Jack and Lexi's relationship going? It's good, but we had a recent fight about something. And it wasn't good. We're still dating.
I guess so.
So, next question is, does Lexi know how to cook?
Nope. She doesn't know.
You'll see if she can actually have some skills in the next thing. Alright, next question is, does Jack know Taekwondo?
No.
Hey!
No, he's terrible at it.
I wish I was a 3-degree black belt.
Oh my god. Next question.
When is the next segment? That's maybe I don't know.
I don't know.
Next question is, what is Lexi's favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Cartoon Network.
What does Jack and Lexi watch besides Dead Food? You watch rated R movies, such as Slender Man and Harley Quinn and Suicide Squad. Yes. So, Lexi likes those shows. I don't like them, including Dead Food. But Alexi does like watching adventures.
Next question
is, why is Lexi obsessed with phantoms?
That's a backstory. Why is my animal doing this floss right now?
I don't know. Next question is, what is Jack's favorite catchphrase? Oh, it's definitely, go get 'em, Tiger, or something like that. I don't know.
We have two
But I
cats.
got the snazz as Tom Cruise. Alright.
Next
What is
question.
Lexi's and Jack? Has Lexi and Jack ever watched a crime TV show?
I don't know. I don't think we did, Jack.
I do. I watch.
Anyways, next question. What is Jack's favorite ice cream?
Rocky Road and
That's gross.
orange
Strawberry is
sugar.
the best.
And
Strawberry
orange
is the
sugar.
best.
Ugh. What is Jack's go-to drink at Starbucks? Vanilla bean frappuccino, my dude.
You know that is gross.
It is not.
You know that raspberry drink with blackberries and ginger. That's my favorite.
Alright. After that question, he said, what is Lexi's favorite Starbucks drink?
You know it's on the secret menu. The blackberry phantom ginger drink.
Alright. Next question is, can Jack show us some dance moves?
No, he's a terrible dancer and I can't even dance. I don't.
Yeah, show him some moves. Tail.
Can't even catch your own tail. And I can't. Let me try. Wait.
Alright.
Almost got it. I almost got it. Come on.
Next question is, do Jack and Lexi have a tour bus? Of course we do, my dude.
So anyways, that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and bye.